Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are just going to quickly install the prerequisite for the course series we are going to follow, which is coding in Java and developing Spring application. So for that, we need a couple of things installed in the system. The first thing we are going to do is install vscode, and then we go to the plugins, and inside the plugin we will see a few Java plugins which should be installed on your system. The first is language support, then debugger for Java, extension pack for Java, and Maven for Java. These four plugins should be installed. Apart from that, you should have a Java SDK installed in your system. This could be any of the Java flavors, could be OpenJDK, could be Oracle JDK, or any other JDK flavor you can find for Windows. That should be installed. And if you go in the terminal and type Java, it should tell you that Java is installed on your system. The second thing which we need in the system is Maven. So I am on the Maven download page, and here you go into the Maven daemon section and download the zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, I am going to go into the download section and extract it here, rename it to something better, and copy it, go in C program files and paste it. I already have it here. So we go inside Maven and you should see a bin directory. Copy the whole path, go to the environment variables, and in the path, add this path, then go back and come one level up, go inside MVN and bin, copy this path, add this path, say okay, 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 and come back to VS Code. So because we added and changed the path variable, VS Code is not going to know that there is some extra paths added. So we need to restart VS Code. Okay. Now in the terminal, we write the command, press enter, and it should be able to find the command. There are errors because there is no project setup, but MVN is working. So this is all you need to follow the lectures in this playlist, which we are going to do. So this is all for this session. I am going to see you in our next session. Thanks for watching and bye for now.